Hello, welcome. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 2943. Maximize area of square hole in grid. So we are giving a grid, so this is the grid. It means the maximum square at the moment it is 1. But we can remove some vertical bars and horizontal bars. So it will be like this. So if the horizontal bars have a 2 and 3, it means this 2 and 3 can be removed. And for example, this 8 bars, it is 4, it means this 2, it is a 2, it means this 2 can also be removed. If this 2 removed and this horizontal 2 also removed, so we get a maximum of 4 because the maximum side of the square is 2. 2 times 2, it is 4. And similar for other examples. If you understand the question, the next step gonna be how to solve it. So it's gonna be some greedy idea. Basically you need to find the maximum length. If you can find the maximum length, for example, if the horizontal maximum length is 4, what do I mean by maximum length? It means I can remove some line to make it a 4. For example, but there is a conditions to remove. It must be inside the 8 bars, horizontal bars. If I can make it a 4 maximum, and if I can make a maximum of a vertical length, which is 3. So what is my result? So my result would be 3 times 3. But how can we find this 4 or 3? So we can use the list groups, because if the maximum meets the conditions, so from 1 to 3 must meet the conditions. And similar for this example, if 3 meets the conditions, 1 to 2 must meet the conditions. Because we can remove some line to make it a 4. If we add the line, recover it, it's gonna have something like 3, 2, and 1. So we're gonna choose the maximum value of v and 8 and get the final result. Now let me try to use the list groups to solve the problem. So I'm gonna use a tag function. Inside of the tag function, basically it's gonna be the list groups. So I'm gonna prepare I result would equal to 0 and 0, and I'm gonna prepare a length of nums. N is the length of nums. Now let me write the to while loop, the template for the list groups. So while I less than n, what are we gonna do? We're gonna prepare a start. So this start would be equal to I. Now we need the second while. So while I plus 1 less than n, and nums I plus 1 equal to nums I plus 1. So this is something difficult to think. If you think of this way, normally you can solve it. If you have a 2 and 3, normally if you remove 2 and 3, you're gonna get a value of 2 because the distance, because while you list the groups with 2 and 3, it is 2. For example, there's a 5, 6, 7, so the maximum will be 3 because 5, 6, 7, it is 5 to 7, it is the maximum side. But the final result would be 4 because if you remove 3 lines, you will get a maximum length of 4. So for example, you remove 2 and 3, you will get a maximum of 3. Now, if it meets the conditions, I will plus equal to 1. Otherwise, if go out, I should plus equal to 1. It will go to the next group. Now we're gonna check the result. It's gonna be the maximum result with I minus start, the right minus the start plus 1. Finally, we just need to return, as I explained, this is result plus 1. Because if we find a 5, 6, and 7, the group is 3, but the final answer, the maximum length, is 3. If we remove 2 and 3, so the maximum length of this side, it is 3. Now we just need to check the result. So its width should be the tag of 8 bars and tag of v bars. So finally, we just need to return the minimum of v8 square. Now let me run it to check if it works. As you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. There's something wrong. Yeah, this is because I didn't sort it. I forgot to sort the array. Normally, if I use list groups to find something like this, I need to sort it first. As you can see, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. It means I didn't sort the array. So I need to sort it first. Yeah, H bars sort and V bars sort. Now let's check. Yeah. Now as you can see, this test case works, and as you can see, it passed all the testing cases and it's pretty fast. And the time complexity for here, the listing group, so this is just ON. Yeah. And this is just OH plus OV. H is the length of H bars, V is the length of V bars. But for here, it is H times log H plus V times log V. So this is the final time complexity because this will be bigger.